Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a cryptocurrency that has recently surprised the entire market, TON Coin, also known as the Open Network. TON is a crypto project that was originally created by the Telegram team. Yes, the same Telegram app that we all use every day. But now, TON Coin has become an independent blockchain project, and it's quickly climbing to the top ranks of the crypto world. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know. What is TON Coin? How the TON blockchain works? Why it's connected with Telegram? Investment analysis? Price prediction for 2025 and beyond? And finally, should you invest or not? So stay tuned, grab your coffee, and let's start this deep dive into the TON ecosystem. Part 1. What is TON Coin? Basic introduction. TON stands for the Open Network. It's a Layer 1 blockchain designed to support massive scale applications including payments, smart contracts, and decentralized apps dApps. The main goal of TON is to build a decentralized internet ecosystem where users, data, and payments can all operate securely in one place without relying on centralized companies. The TON Coin ticker. TON is the native cryptocurrency of the TON blockchain. It's used for transaction fees, staking, and governance within the network. Part 2. The history of TON, from Telegram to open source. Back in 2018, Telegram started a project called the Telegram Open Network TON. They raised a massive $1.7 billion from private investors. However, in 2020, the US SEC Securities and Exchange Commission blocked the project, saying Telegram couldn't distribute the tokens due to regulatory restrictions. So, Telegram officially stepped away from the project. But the community didn't give up. Developers used the open source TON code to rebuild a community-driven version, and that became the open network we know today. Now, TON is fully independent and not owned by Telegram. However, Telegram has recently started to deeply integrate TON again. For example, with the @Wallet feature that allows users to send crypto directly inside Telegram. That's massive news. Part 3. How the TON blockchain works. TON isn't just another blockchain. It's built to be ultra-scalable. It can process millions of transactions per second because of its advanced sharding system. Here's how it works. Master chain. The main chain that stores the overall network data. Work chains. Specialized blockchains for specific functions like smart contracts or dApps. Shard chains. Subdivisions of work chains that allow the network to process many transactions in parallel. TON uses a proof-of-stake POS consensus mechanism, where validators lock their TON tokens to secure the network and earn staking rewards. This makes TON eco-friendly, fast, and decentralized. Part 4. Key features of TON storage. Decentralized cloud storage, like Google Drive but built on blockchain. TON DNS. Blockchain-based domain name system for TON websites. TON payments. Instant, low-fee crypto transactions. TON proxy. A privacy-focused decentralized VPN. TON services. A full platform for Web3 apps and smart contracts. Basically, TON aims to become a complete Web3 ecosystem, including wallets, storage, payments, and decentralized websites, all in one network. Part 5. TON tokenomics and supply. Token name. TON Coin. Maximum supply. Around 5 billion TON. Current circulating supply. Approximately 3.5 billion TON. As of 2025. Consensus type. Proof-of-stake POS. Use cases. Transaction fees. Staking rewards. Governance voting. Payments. Gas for smart contracts. Validators earn around 3 to 6% annual rewards depending on network performance. Part 6. Price history and market growth. When TON first began trading, its price was around $0.50. In 2023, it rose to $2.50. By 2024, it surged to around $7 to $8, thanks to the Telegram wallet integration and Binance listing. Now, in late 2025, TON trades between $6 and $7, with a market cap over $15 billion, ranking it among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Investors are calling TON the next Solana, or even an Ethereum killer. Part 7. Why TON is growing so fast. Telegram integration. Over 900 million users can send TON directly through Telegram. Mass adoption potential. Payments, bots, mini apps, all inside Telegram's ecosystem. Speed and scalability. Extremely fast and low cost. Perfect for microtransactions. Strong developer community. The TON Foundation and open source developers are expanding rapidly. Real utility. It's not just a meme coin. It's powering real Web3 applications. Part 8. Investment analysis. Should you invest in TON? Let's be honest. TON is one of the most promising crypto projects in 2025. Pros: advantages. Backed by Telegram's ecosystem, real-world use cases like payments and apps, scalable and energy-efficient blockchain, rapidly growing user base, transparent and decentralized foundation. Cons: risks. Regulatory uncertainty. Telegram and crypto can be a risky combination. Heavy competition from Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche, still in early development stages for DeFi and NFTs. If you're thinking about investing, always do your own research. Don't buy just because of hype. Invest for long-term growth potential. Part 9. TON price prediction 2025 to 2030. Here's a possible forecast. 2025. $8 to $10 if Telegram expands TON payments globally. 2026. $12 to $15 range. 2027. Potential correction period $7 to $9 range. 2028 to 2030. Could reach $25 to $30 if Web3 adoption continues. Analysts believe TON could become a top 5 blockchain project by 2030, especially if Telegram continues pushing its crypto integration worldwide. Part 10. TON ecosystem and partnerships. The TON ecosystem is expanding rapidly. Wallets. TON Wallet, Tonguekeeper, and the Telegram Wallet. DeFi projects. TON Bridge, Ston.fi. NFT marketplaces. Getcoms.io, Ton Diamonds, games and mini apps. TON Play, Fragment platform. Telegram's mini app feature now supports TON for payments, which means over 1 billion people could be using TON without even realizing it. Part 11. Future vision of TON. The vision behind TON is simple but powerful: to make blockchain technology accessible to billions of people. If this vision succeeds, TON won't just be a coin. It could become the backbone of the decentralized internet. Future goals include TON-based domain and identity system, decentralized social media and messaging, a large-scale DeFi ecosystem, a global crypto payment gateway. Part 12. Real-life use cases. Telegram payments. Instantly send TON to anyone in a chat. Mini-games. Play-to-earn games integrated with TON. NFT launchpads. Buy and sell digital assets directly on-chain. Decentralized hosting. Host your own website through TON storage. This is why people call TON the Web3 super app blockchain. Everything is possible here. Part 13. TON versus other cryptos. Feature TON Ethereum Solana. Speed very high medium high. Transaction fees very low high low. Telegram integration yes, no no. Ecosystem growth rapid mature expanding. Best use case payments. Apps smart contracts DeFi. NFTs. Result. TON stands out because of its mass adoption potential through Telegram. Part 14. How to buy and store TON. You can easily buy TON from major crypto exchanges. Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin. Best wallets for storing TON. TON Wallet Official, Tonguekeeper, Ledger Hardware Wallet. Always enable two-factor authentication and consider cold storage for maximum security. Part 15. How to earn from TON. You can earn TON in several ways. Staking. Lock your TON to earn passive income. Airdrops. Participate in new TON-based projects. Telegram bots. Earn through TON integrated mini apps. Community rewards. TON Foundation often rewards active contributors. Some users are already earning between $50 and $200 per month just by participating in the TON ecosystem.